Olin. Go. Come again, go.
I see dead people.
What is your name, slave?
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North. Loyal servant to the true Emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
Be it by my life or death and protection.
I will take the ring to Mordor.
You shall have my shoe.
You shall have my Nerf gun.
And my umbrella! I love you. You complete me. Shut up, just shut up. You had me at hello. Mommy! Daddy! I love my daughter, but she sees dead people. I just don't know what to do. Don't worry, darling. I'm sure it's just a phase. Darling, I've got a plan. Tomorrow there's going to be a poker match, and I'm going to steal the money of the bad guy. Toto, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. Don't worry, my dear. I will not fail you.
So how many parts do you want?
One.
Your bet, Toto!
All in.
Oh, man. Did you just have a brain fart?
Did your father say?
I resent it when people fart in my office.
Run, Toto, run! Fly, you fools!
Oh, man!
Say hello
Yeah!
to